How to see who shared your Instagram post on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to your profile page. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right. Now you'll need to switch your Instagram account to the business account. For that, scroll down. Now navigate to the option account type and tools. Click on the option switch to professional account. Click on next. Now from here, select the category that best describes you. Then click on Switch to Professional Account. Select whether you are a business or a creator and then click on Next. Now click on OK. Now complete these steps. And just for that, you have converted your account to the professional account. Now you can navigate to your profile page and head towards the post. Now you'll get this option of View Insights. Click on that. You're gonna find all the details of the post. You are able to see the overview, reach, engagement, and post interactions. Under post interactions, you're gonna find the option of shares. Even though you are not able to see who shared your post, but you can see how many people have shared your post. Over here, you're gonna find the number. As if right now this is the only workaround. If in the future Instagram comes with the feature to see who shared your post, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.